Welcome to AutoMaster In-Depth Car Reviews Expert Insights. The 1927 Ford Model T, a legendary car that revolutionized the automobile industry. This model remains an iconic representation of automotive history. And in this video, we will explore its design, engine performance features, and overall driving experience. The 1927 Ford Model T is known for its simple yet efficient engineering, making it one of the most influential cars of all time. Designed to be affordable and reliable, it was a favorite among early automobile buyers. The exterior design is minimalistic but functional, featuring a sturdy frame with a boxy shape that gives it a classic appeal. The Model T was available in multiple body styles, including roadster, coupe, and touring car, allowing customers to choose the variant that suited their needs best. Despite its basic design, it had a timeless charm that still appeals to classic car enthusiasts today. Under the hood, the 1927 Model T is powered by a 2.9-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 20 horsepower. While this may not seem like much by modern standards, it was more than sufficient for its time. The car could reach a top speed of about 40 to 45 miles per hour, making it a practical option for daily commuting in the 1920s. One of its most notable features was the planetary gear transmission, which was different from the manual transmissions found in most cars today. It had a two-speed system controlled by pedals rather than a traditional gear shifter, making it unique to drive. The Model T was built with durability in mind. Its high ground clearance and simple mechanics made it ideal for rough roads, which were common in the early 20th century. The car's suspension system used transverse leaf springs, providing a comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. Since it was designed for mass production, Ford used high-quality materials while keeping costs low. This made the Model T a reliable vehicle that could withstand years of use with minimal maintenance. One of the standout features of the 1927 Model T was its adaptability. Owners could modify and customize their cars with ease, leading to a variety of unique builds over the years. Some people converted their Model Ts into trucks, tractors, and even race cars. The ability to swap out parts and upgrade components contributed to its long-lasting popularity among collectors and restorers. Driving the Model T is a completely different experience compared to modern cars. The unique control system requires practice, as the throttle, brake, and gears are operated differently than in conventional vehicles. However, once you get used to it, the driving experience is rewarding and gives you a sense of connection to automotive history. The 1927 Model T marked the end of an era as Ford transitioned to the Model I, which introduced more advanced features and a more conventional driving setup. Despite this, the legacy of the Model T remains strong, with many enthusiasts still restoring and driving these classic machines today. That wraps up our review of the 1927 Ford Model T. If you love classic cars and want to see more reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to AutoMaster and stay tuned for more in-depth content on historic and modern vehicles.